Hey everyone. Now if I want to change like the media volume on iPhone, I can like drop the control center and change the volume from here. That is like cool and quick and simple. But sometimes if I want to change the ringtone volume, I need to dig into the like for example the settings and then scroll down. Where is it? Here, sounds and haptics, okay? And change ringtone volume and alerts from here. But in today's video, I'll show you a shortcut that lets you change the media and the ringtone or reset alerts volume by one tap, whether from the home screen or even the control center. So for this, you need the Shortcuts app. Okay, open the Shortcuts app, then tap on the plus icon on the top right to start a new shortcut. Now here we have search actions. Tap on it and search for volume, or we can say set volume. Choose that one, tap on it. Now, watch the steps carefully. Now tap on media here, keep it at media, but tap on ask each time. Now let's tap and hold on the 50% number here and tap on ask each time. Now the first step is done. Now again, tap on search actions and search for volume again. Now this time tap on media again and change to ringtone. Now tap again and tap ask each time. Choose that one as well. Now let's tap and hold on 50% as well again and tap ask each time. Choose that one. Okay. Now the shortcut is ready. The next steps are optional. You can tap on this little down arrow here. You can rename it. Let's go for like, for example, maybe volume setting. Done. You can tap the arrow again to choose an icon for it. Yeah, if you prefer like an icon from this list, you can choose it. Go with anyone that you like and choose a color for the icon as well. All right. So when you're ready to go, just tap the little arrow again and tap on add to home screen. Once you tap on that one, you will be again headed to the customization screen where you can like use an image, a symbol, a color, different color, and so on. Otherwise, if you're ready, we're good to go. Just tap on add and it will be added to the home screen. So once it's added to the home screen, you can tap it. Just tap it once. Okay, you've got the volume setting option here. Two options, media and ringtone. Tap on media, for example, and then here we go. The volume is there. You can swipe left or right to change or adjust the volume for the media and tap done, and that's it. For the ringtone as well, guys, just tap on ringtone, tap, change the volume from there, like instantly. No need to dig into like, for example, the settings, taking like a couple of steps for this. No, just one tap, done, and that's it. So it is super useful. It's super like easy and clean. What makes it even like better, you can add it to control center. Open the control center, tap and hold on anywhere or just the plus icon on the top left and add control. Now when you tap on add control, search for shortcuts and then tap on shortcut here, tap on choose, and then choose the latest we can say shortcut that you've just made, which is volume setting. Tap on it and tap here. Okay, now it has been added, okay, to the control center. So let's try it from here as well. Just tap it. We've got two options, media and ringtone. Yeah, choose the one that you like, change the volume, tap done, and that's it. Super useful, super easy. If you liked it, share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.